In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a Wix store on your website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand sidebar, click Add Elements, which is the plus icon, then choose Store and click Add to Site. As soon as you do that, Wix stores will automatically create the core pages your shop needs, which saves you time and gives you a solid starting structure for your online store. Next, head over to your Wix dashboard. Then go to Store Products and Products. This is where you will begin adding the items you want to sell. Click New Product and Wix will ask whether you are creating a physical product, like clothing or accessories, or a digital product, such as an ebook template or software file. Choose the option that matches what you are selling. Now fill in your product details carefully. Add the product name. Set the price. Write a clear description and upload strong images or videos so shoppers can understand exactly what they're buying. If you want to manage inventory properly, make sure to enter trackable details like your SKU and stock quantity. This is especially useful if you are selling multiple items and want to stay organized as orders come in. You should also group your products into categories, which helps keep your storefront neat and makes browsing much easier for customers. Once your products are ready, the next step is setting up payments so you can actually receive money from customers. In your Wix dashboard, go to the Accept Payments section, which may also appear under Finances, depending on your setup. Click Connect Payment Methods, then choose a payment provider available in your region, such as Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Pick the one that fits your business needs and complete the connection process. Before you start taking orders, make sure your fulfillment settings are in place. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Here, create shipping regions, such as domestic and international, and set your rates based on weight, a flat rate, or free shipping. If your business offers local delivery or store pickup, you can enable those options here as well. Then move to the tax section to set up automatic tax calculation or enter tax rates manually, depending on how you prefer to manage it. After that, you can customize the look of your shop in the editor. Open your shop page and click Settings on the product gallery. This is where you can adjust layouts, product grids, hover effects, colors, and fonts, so your store matches the rest of your website. Finally, when everything looks good, go to your Wix dashboard and click Upgrade. You can build the store for free, but you will need a business and e-commerce plan to accept real payments. Choose the plan that works for you. Connect your custom domain, review your store policies, and then click Publish. Tase all to it. Thanks for watching.